Got a little bit of a breeze this morning. A strong outgoing tide. We're gonna have low tide at 9 a.m. today, so it's gonna be a little bit of a slow bite right at 9. We'll try to get a little bit of an outgoing bite before it goes all the way out. No fish the incoming. Catch some fish.
Work for you.
I just put those 3 out there and they'll bend over in a couple seconds. If they don't, we'll move. Yeah, snag. Just pull it a little bit off that rock. Yeah, alright, now let it sit. Oh, there's fish. Reel. Oh, he dropped it. That was a big fish. He ate a mud minnow. There he is. Reel, reel, reel. You got him. Good job.
Okay. What are you doing?
Just try to keep him right. Yeah,
right?
Yeah, pull him that way. Don't get him crossed with our other lines.
Okay. That takes care of the skunk.
Yep, no skunks today. Just keep reeling fast so he doesn't go left. Yep, get him going that way. He doesn't look very big. It looks like a small one. Yep, start pulling him in fast that way. Small red. That's a baby. What the heck? Alright, open the bill.
Open what?
Open the bill.
Oh, sorry.
Just so I can get back in the boat. Yeah, it's a dink. Hopefully that's the smallest one of the day. Yeah, he's too small. Let's get a bigger. Yeah. I'll reel on this pole if you go to the underneath me. Yeah, he's not very big. He grabbed it right when I put it down. I felt him grab it.
Yeah.
Sometimes just moving it a little bit makes them grab it. They see it. Why are these all so small? I got a big mango. A snapper. He's not very big. I thought he was bigger than that. How did he eat that big old mud minnow?
He's hungry.
That's crazy. Start reeling. Start reeling. Is he still on?
Yeah. He's still on there.
No, that's a rock.
It's a rock?
Yeah, get
oh,
it.
it's a rock.
Yeah, well, it was a fish. He wrapped around a rock, so you gotta get him above the rock.
Oh, okay.
Yep, there you go. That's he broke off. That was a big one. He wrapped around a rock, and he was waiting to get off the rock. And right when I got him off the rock, I felt him pull back, and he broke it.
Okay.
That was a big red. This boat casts a little bit better.
Yep.
Oh, there goes, big one. Yeah, reel. You got him.
JW, this is all new to me.
I know. Just lift your rod a little bit so I can see what's happening. Yeah, just keep pressure on him. Reel as fast as you have to, but not too fast. Just make sure that line doesn't go slack.
Yeah. Okay.
Watch your foot. Something. There you go.
Alright.
Alright. Let's hope this is a keep. That should be a keeper. Yeah, that's a good fish. You keep reeling. There you go. Just don't ever want that rod to stop bending.
Okay.
Keep it bent.
Alright.
There he is. He's not that big. He's bigger than the last one though.
There.
Yeah, he's not that big. What the heck?
Yeah, that's not,
I thought he was a lot bigger than that.
Oh, get it, Rich.
Let's just break this. That's your big fish right there. Alright, it's off here. That's a big one. That's the one we were waiting for. I felt him grab it, pulling it right out of my hand. Just keep that rod bent. Okay. If he's swimming at you fast, real fast, if you hear that drag on too much, let him run.
Okay.
Try to lift it up a little bit more so I can see the rod. Yeah, he's running. Let him run.
Okay.
All right, now reel. Try to lift it a little bit. There you go. He's coming at you. It's a good fish. Okay. Definitely a good fish. All right, let's net him. That big redfish. I don't want him to wrap up on those poles. Oh, I saw a big boil. You must have a monster.
Whoa.
All right, he's going up. Oh, big fish. Oh, jeez.
All right, just hold him there.
That's a big fish, dude.
Good.
That's the one we're after right there.
Time to look for slot.
All right, lift him up. Get his head. Oh, geez, he ain't done.
Nope.
Nice fish. Don't fall over. Just fall into that sea.
Don't want to do that. Oh man, we got to get your sea legs. Oh.
That's a big fish.
Yeah,
oh, there he is. All right, bring him in head first. There we got him.
All right.
That's a 24.
Wow.
He's not over slot. That's
Not
good.
over slot, no.
He's perfect slot.
Wow. There's dinner. Yeah.
That's a 24 incher. All right, open the bail.
Okay.
Well, at least we know they're here.
Yeah.
We don't have to move now. You guys were questioning me all the morning until now.
Nah, we know you have a strategy.
Yeah. That's a good fish.
Not really.
25. Perfect.
That's not bad.
They're only allowed up to 27.
27 right?
So that's a perfect fish. You want a picture with them?
Sure. Get the. All right.
That's a stud trout.
Wow.
Weren't even paying attention to you.
Well, I had him on there. It's like, okay, this is not.
You're like, oh, it's a catfish. Wow, dude, that's a fat trout.
Nice looking trout there.
All these boats running by us. I wasn't even paying attention. That's a fat trout, dude. That's good dinner right there.
Didn't expect that.
How fat he is.
Yeah, that's
That's
awesome.
a 17, 18 incher. Oh, get in the boat. He almost went in the water. Maybe I should leave this on the floor.
Yeah, it's like that. And it was. Yes.
I think he was 18. Come on, be a red. That ain't no catfish.
Nope, that's not cat.
Gonna be another fat trout. Oh, it's a red. Dink. Little redfish. See what happens when you move? We move 10 feet and instant fish. You go under this one, or are you over it? Can't tell.
Yeah, I can't see that other line.
Yeah, you definitely have it. I know you don't. You're good. You're clear. Yeah, you got a good fish on. Was that a jack?
That was a jack.
Oh, come on. You don't want jacks?
How can you tell?
It's a jack.
Size or the shape of it.
It looked like a, yeah, it looked like a jack. He's doing circles now like a jack. Yep. Yep. Is it a cat?
Oh,
It's a small red.
little red.
Baby. Number 6. Keep him going left. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's a mango.
Oh, mango.
The heck? At least he's a keeper. He swallowed it. Jeez. He's bleeding. Oh, that's good dinner. I lost 10 in a row and then finally got him on the hook. But you say it's not a tiny fish. I don't know how we miss him so many times. If he's staying down, it doesn't look like a snook now. Maybe it's a small red. Keep him coming this way. It might be a small red. Yeah, it is small red. Come on, be a keeper. It's definitely a redfish. Is he 18? No, he's small. Dang it. Oh, he's 16 and a half. Dang it. They feel bigger this time?
It was a little bit bigger.
Alright, keep him to the right.
Mine on the right side here.
Probably just a snapper again. Yep. Put those in the cooler. It's probably a small redfish. Just keep going fast, he's swimming at you. Alright, we're finding some fish. It's another snapper. There must be a whole pile of them up there.
Yeah.
That's good for dinner. Usually you have to go offshore for snapper.
Right.
It's cool to catch them in shallow water. That's an offshore fish.
Deep.
Is that a bigger fish? Load the cooler with snapper. There could be another big one. I'd rather see a big. That looks bigger. Let's have a huge snapper to pull a drag. There you go. Do we got our redfish? All right. I think we got our keeper red. Good job.
Work it in.
You did that one all by yourself. See, fishing ain't that hard. You got a good sized fish. Let's hope for a red. I hope it's not an undersized snook. It looked like a small snook when he splashed. Big redfish, please. Oh, I saw. Oh, nice. Yes, keeper red. Yep. That's dinner. Good job. We tried 5 spots and we found a red. Here we go. That's dinner right there. 22 incher. That's a good fish. Oh, give me his head.
Not quite there yet.
I can't even see him. He's in the sun. That's a good fish.
Yeah. Right.
That's what we're after.
Good one.
Been a while since we've seen one. I forgot what one looks like.
All right.
Nice.
That's what we're talking about.
And you got to hold it when he grabbed it, right? You felt him grab it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's cool.
That was.
That's a beautiful fish.
Look at that. That is a.
That big red. Nice. Come on, be 18. Ah, short again. He ate it the second it hit the water. They're right up in that, right in front of that tree. Jeez. 17. There we go. You haven't caught one in a while. You want it? Yeah. There's a little redfish out of there.
Yeah.
Too bad none of them are big enough to keep. Which side am I on? I got it. Are they too small again? Yep, they're all the same size. And they're sitting in that little cove where the mullet was. Hey, we found a school of fish. Now we just need to find a bigger one. Let me guess, you caught a cat.
It better not be. That's just a small.
Little dinks. Ate a mud minnow. That's a big one.
Yep.
Nice. Good job. We found a pocket of them. 3 in a row.
Yeah, a lot of splash.
Follow the mullet. All right, this is the keeper, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Awesome. All right, get him. Yeah, don't let him in that rock. There's a big fish. Around his rod. There you go. It's not huge. No, it's still the same size, just scrappier. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
He's training to be big. Well, if there's 100 of them in there, they shouldn't care if it's dead or alive.
Right.
They should be competing for food right now. There's probably a bunch of brothers with them, all the same size. Let's see if we can find a big one. Pretty cool. And they, oh, he's got it. That one's bigger, right? Are they all the same size? It's like one after another. Second hits the water.
Not releasing.
And they're eating dead mud minnows.
Yeah.
That's how you know there's a lot of them when they eat the dead ones. Come on, we need 2 inches bigger. No.
Nope.
Another 16, 17 incher. They're training for the Olympics. That dolphin are coming in. I got 4 in a row and then that, oh, there's a fish. Oh, that was a big one. That was on a whole mud minnow too.
Yeah.
I just lost them. Yeah. There you go. Are they bigger? Putting up a good fight. I still have the whole mud minnow on there. They're all the same little dinky ones. They're fun little fish, aren't they?
Yeah. Not releasing it. About the same size.
Alright, switch. I'll handle that one. You reel that one in.
That one?
I got another one.
Got one in here?
Yep. Did he fall off?
Nope, there it is.
What are you doing?
I'm not reeling. I'm watching.
Just reeling some slack. I bet there's one there. Give it a little jiggle. Sometimes I just jiggle it and then they see it and then they'll grab it. And these two are on mud minnows. Jeez, there's not even a big one. How do we catch a keeper? Let's see if you get the big one.
Sat there and let it sit there. It doesn't feel much bigger than that other one. But let's see.
He got some weight to him.
Got some weight to him.
Where's the net?
There.
Oh. Come on, we need an 18-incher. It's crazy. Oh, the same size. You and letting him swallow it. So this is what happens when your line is slack. You didn't know he was on when he grabbed it.
Okay. Oh,
He's got, ah, it's a big one. You got the keeper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
I think so. Kind of like the other one.
I like you. We're catching the good ones.
Banana and everything, huh?
Yeah, you got rid of the banana. Look what happened. Nice. All right, we're finally limited out. Thank God. Come on, get a big one. Nice fish. Just don't be a snook. Be a redfish. Oh, nice red.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, keep him off the boat. Don't let him touch the boat.
Yeah.
Where is he? There. Oh, beautiful fish. Where is he?
Yeah.
Bring him this way. Turn his head. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
There we go.
Yeah.
Much bigger than the last couple. Look at what we've been catching versus a real red.
Yeah.
That's a big difference.
You know the difference when it releases like that.
Holy crap, look at that.
It's a good size.
Look at the belly on that sucker.
Yeah.
You're catching all the big ones today. Oh, that's definitely a keeper. Perfect. Look at it, it's in his mouth twice. That's a weird positioning for the hook. Thank God. So you remember when we left that spot, I said, what do you look for when you want to change your day? You look for grassy points like this. I haven't fished here in probably 10 years. But I just felt right when I saw it. I looked over and I saw the grass, we saw the bait, and then look what you catch. Instant. Look at that. That's a beautiful.
I guess this one didn't make it. One of our releases here.
24 and 3/4. Flip him in. Nice little flounder. There you go.
Yep.
A nice little fish.
Look at that.